Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring a beautiful collection of crochet blouse ideas that combine elegance, creativity, and timeless fashion. If you love handmade fashion pieces or you're looking for inspiration for your next crochet project, then you're in the right place. Crochet blouses have become one of the most popular fashion choices for women who want something unique, stylish, and comfortable. The beauty of crochet is that every design tells its own story through intricate patterns, textures, and craftsmanship. Whether you prefer simple everyday styles or eye-catching statement pieces, there is always a crochet blouse design that perfectly matches your personality. As you watch these stunning designs on your screen, take a moment to appreciate the details that make each blouse special. Some feature delicate floral patterns that create a soft and feminine look, while others showcase bold geometric designs that bring a modern touch to traditional crochet work. One of the things that makes crochet blouses so versatile is how easily they can be styled. They can be paired with jeans for a casual day out, matched with skirts for a more elegant appearance, or even worn as part of a stylish vacation outfit. No matter the occasion, a well-designed crochet blouse can instantly elevate your look. Imagine walking into a gathering wearing a beautifully crafted crochet blouse. The unique texture and handmade charm naturally attract attention and admiration. That's the magic of crochet fashion. It stands out without trying too hard. As this collection continues, notice how different colors can completely transform the appearance of a crochet blouse. Soft neutral shades create a classic and sophisticated look, while bright and vibrant colors add energy and personality. The possibilities are truly endless. For those who enjoy crocheting, these designs can serve as wonderful inspiration for future projects. You can experiment with different stitch patterns, sleeve styles, necklines, and color combinations to create something that is uniquely your own. Fashion trends may come and go, but crochet remains a timeless art form that continues to inspire generations. It blends creativity, tradition, and modern style in a way that few other fashion techniques can achieve. I hope this collection has given you plenty of ideas and inspiration. Let me know in the comments which crochet blouse design was your favorite. Was it the elegant floral pattern, the modern geometric style, or perhaps a colorful design that caught your eye? If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more beautiful crochet fashion ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more amazing crochet fashion inspiration. Stay creative, stay stylish, and have a wonderful day.